Welcome back to Redline Rehab and welcome to Premier Auto Care. Time to get the new catback exhaust.
Yay!
You so excited?
So excited.
Me too, it's gonna be good.
You want me to get it for you?
My ladies first. All right, here's the last of it. OEM stock exhaust, mid muffler, delete. Say goodbye. Ah, it still sounds so good like this. Hopefully we made the right decision. And for reference, mid mufflers are usually right here, and that's what they've cut out, and they just put in a pipe instead. That's what it looks like. All right, so the reveal of what exhaust we got, here it is. The AWE Touring exhaust. Out with the old. After extensive research, so many YouTube videos, so many TikTok videos, we looked at Borla, Magnaflow, Corsa, we looked at AWE, and they all sound so good, but we chose the AWE Touring. So what we're really hoping for to get out of this is a loud exhaust, but nothing drowning, something throaty, something deep, something aggressive. So hopefully we get what we're looking for. We did decide to go with chrome tips. We did think that the chrome with the black on the back is gonna look good. It's gonna pop out a bit more, so it's pretty shiny. All right, it's completely installed. It's time to start it up and hear it. Is it loud?
Definitely louder.
Is it loud? Oh my gosh, sounds incredible. Ooh, there she is. Oh, this is exciting. Super cool. Love how it sounds. So what do you think? Afterthoughts?
I love it. It
Glad
sounds
we did it?
amazing. Yes.
Do you think we got the right one?
I do, yes.
Yeah, I do too. You always worry, am I gonna like it or not? Because it's a lot of money. We gotta go do some polls now to get a good idea of how different it sounds, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's go hit red line. Oh yeah. What a difference. Let's try it out. That is so different. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it too loud?
It's not too loud. So when you're sitting in the car, I feel like it's a bit quieter.
Yeah.
Which I really like.
Right.
But when you floor it, it is definitely louder. There's definitely a difference.
It is definitely more quiet, just like driving it inside the cabin here, like she's saying. But it's like when you hit the pedal, it just screams. It wakes up. It's more throaty for sure, right?
Yep.
Okay, we got to do it again.
Let's do it again.
All right, let's do it again. AWE touring exhaust, definitely happy with it. Now, AWE, they also make a track exhaust, and we looked into that. We heard it a lot. We read some reviews. A lot of people said it was very loud, and we were worried it was going to hit that too obnoxious level. So a lot of people recommended that you get the touring exhaust, so it's just super loud when you hit the pedal. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. We absolutely love our AWE exhaust, touring exhaust. Big shout out to Premier Complete Auto Care. They are great to work with. We're super happy with them. We're also excited to do some future mods with them. So to end this video, I think we got to do some revs. Sounds so good. We'll see you next time.